Yo guys, welcome back to our channel Busters. Today I'm going to show you something awesome and cool in Python. It's called as input function. So let's just do this. So first the code is s equals to input. Let's do type in here. Then after the s equals to input, type in here if s equals to we need to type equal to because Python doesn't recognize the single equal to. So equal to you need to put like the what do you call that, wait a minute, my friend is just texting me. Let me just, yeah. So what do you call this upper thing? Quotation. Yeah, we need to add the quotation because if we do not add the quotation, the computer will think that yo is actually like you see it's a variable, but actually it's not a variable, it's something that we type in. So we need to put that quotation mark yo, then put the indent. Wait a minute, even in type in here, let's put the indent over there too. Yeah, and then print TCB is the best YT channel forever. Now let's try this. Yes, we did it. Accomplished. So basically what happened over here is that s equals to input means the input which comes as type in here is s. Sorry, the thing which we type in after, wait a minute, yeah. So as this appears, and then just think we type yo. The yo is the input. So if s equals to yo means that if the thing which we type here is yo, it will print TCB is the best YouTube channel forever. And now let me just show you the modified version of this. Yep. So now let's add an, yeah, so now we will just go to the next line, click on backspace, and then go to else and put the indent, else print. Actually, we'll do this now. Instead of typing TCB is the best YouTube channel forever, we will type let's go. So now what happens, if I'm something like GG, it will show let's go, not TCB is the best YouTube channel forever, because of this else statement. So what does this else statement even do? So it just, like as I explained before, S is the input, and if U is the input, it will print TCP is the best channel for the year. But here the input is not U, it's GG. So then else means if the input is not U, hello computer, you can just type let's go. Yeah, that's the meaning of it. And then I'll show you an even modified version of it. Let's remove the print. This time let's add a for loop in there. So n equals, oh no capitals, n equals to 1001 for I in range 0 to n, print TCB. That's it, just print TCB, not TCB is the best YouTube channel. go. Now I will type the normal yo, so it will just show TCB is the best YouTube channel forever. Now I will type something else than yo, like GG. It shows TCB 1000 times. This is so damn cool. I learnt it just today, and I feel this is a very cool thing to do. So, for even no, actually, you can't modify this more. I think you can, but I haven't learned to. Yeah. So now I will tell you something else about Python. I will just explain this whole thing. So I'll explain it from the else line. Okay, this whole thing. So if we don't print type yo, it will start a for loop. For 1000 times it will print TCB, which just happened here. Yeah, because I typed GG, TCB got printed 1000 times. But if I type the normal yo, it will just type TCB is the best YouTube channel forever.
Python magic.
So yeah, stay tuned for more awesome videos like this. Stay home, stay safe. And this is the Challenge Busters signing out. Just keep busting, and I will see you in the next one. By the way, the next video is going to be with all the guys. Let's go.